foot.
Oh, this might hurt. Ow. I think I just damaged myself.
Alright, give me one of your skis.
Oh my god, what?
Give me one of your skis.
Push it. Holy crap. More like holy crack. Oh my god, it hurts. I've never had any pain like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, wait a second. Oh. Oh, you sound the pain. Alright, Kevin, your turn to go.
Yeah, Kevin. If Ashley went,
You don't have his life jacket.
you could use hers.
That was the most painful thing I've done. That was hurt worse than whacking my face on the kneeboard.
Well, at least you got up.
It's like, I don't know how you guys balance up there, man.
You just have to keep doing
I bet there's it's bleeding. Ow. Got seaweed stuck to me, my life jacket's all scraped the ladder.
I'm not going nowhere.
There's a letter.
Woo! Where's the ladder?
I don't know.
There it is. Oh, I can't even sit down. Oh, it hurts.
There you go. Towel.
Yeah. Flossing more like it. Wow, that was so painful.
Lighter up here.
All right. Yeah, it is. I put it up.